This woman would like to get a haircut. She wants to get a haircut because her hair is long. She has long, dark hair, but she wants to have short hair. She wants short hair instead. So she wants to get a haircut. So she goes to the hairdresser. This is the hairdresser, and there is already somebody else inside the hairdresser who is getting their hair cut now. So she goes into the hairdresser. First, she puts her head back in the sink. So she puts her head in the sink here. This is a sink. And she puts her head in the sink. The hairdresser, this man, the hairdresser, first puts water on her hair. She gets the hair wet, first of all. She gets it wet. Next, the hairdresser washes her hair, probably using shampoo. So the hairdresser puts the shampoo in the woman's hair, like this. Afterwards, the hairdresser needs to rinse out the shampoo from the hair, right? Because her hair was covered in shampoo, and so he needs to rinse it out with water. So he uses this little shower here, the little shower, to rinse out the shampoo from the hair, to rinse it out. Next, the woman needs to choose which style of hair does she want. She needs to choose what style. So here we have 4 different hairstyles. Here is a hairstyle. Here's a different hairstyle. This is more of a longer hairstyle. And this is a very short hairstyle. But the woman chooses this one in the top left. Yes, this one is in the top left of the page in the book. So this one, she points. She uses her finger to point. She points at this hairstyle here. So it is time for the hairdresser to begin. And she puts this yellow thing, to be honest, I don't know the name of it. He puts this yellow thing over here to cover her, to keep the hair from falling onto her clothes. He does not want the hair to get in her clothes. So he puts this yellow thing to cover her clothes. The hairdresser uses a pair of scissors and a comb. So in his right hand, he is holding a pair of scissors. And in his left hand, he is holding a comb. I think it's a red or orange comb that he's holding in his left hand. Next, the hairdresser uses a hairdryer to dry the hair. So this is a hairdryer, and the hairdryer uses electricity. It is plugged in, and it is used to dry the hair. So he uses the hairdryer to blow the hair like this, but very strong. Yes, he uses the hairdryer to blow the hair and dry it. Then he adds some kind of product, some kind of hair product. The hairdresser adds some kind of hair product to the hair. And finally, it is finished. The haircut is over. It's over. It's finished. So the woman needs to see the back of her head, to see the style from the back of her hair. So she looks into this mirror, and then she can see the reflection of this mirror, and she can see also this mirror, and so she can use the reflection from this mirror to see the back of her head. So they use two different mirrors, the reflection of this mirror and the reflection of this mirror, to see the back of her head, to see the style. And it looks like she is very pleased with her new haircut. She's happy, she's very pleased, I think she likes it. Yes. So she's pleased, and also the hairdresser is pleased. He's pleased because he's done a good job. He is happy that he has done a good job with cutting her hair. So now the hairdresser just needs to brush off some of the hair from her shoulders and her chest, just to brush it off like this. And he's going to use a brush, a little brush, to brush off the hair. And finally the haircut is finished. He takes off this yellow thing to protect her clothes, and now she can pay and she can go home and enjoy her day. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.